8 milk with sweet tea.
What else first?
And another number 8 with caramel. No, cancel that. Coke Zero. And
Another
then
number 8 meal with caramel mocha.
actually yes, let's do that. Caramel medium.
Say what?
Frappe, the mocha.
Oh, caramel iced coffee. I'm sorry. 2 extra hash browns, please.
Anything else?
Yes, do you have apple pie?
We do not. Not at the moment.
Oh, okay, that's all.
Everything's correct on that screen for us today.
Oh, did you added the 2 extra? Yes, that's all perfect.
Is everything correct on the screen today?
Yes,
Would you like to round up for all McDonald's?
sure.
Thank you so much. And even the person.
Thank you.
You're welcome.